So, 3 spruce branches, some rope and pin cones. Come on, show me already. Okay, let's tie the branches in the circle. Nice and tight, don't skip a single twig, or it'll fall apart. Even here, and here too. Tie little bows like this. You get it, maximum security. Let's check if everything is tied properly. Feels like it lasts forever. Now I'll paint the paint cones bright white, like this. Something for the rest? I've got this one. All that's left is to glue it on. Pum 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 pum. And wow, it actually looks good.